And a federal appeals court has upheld a key provision of Montana's landmark campaign finance disclosure passed in 2015.
MTN chief political reporter Mike Dennison has those details.
Montana's law is meant to lift the curtain on who's spending so-called dark money to influence elections in the state. A key portion of the law says any group engaging in electioneering communication must register with the state, report its spending, and in some cases reveal its donors. Electioneering communication is defined as any ads or mailers or other material that mentions a candidate within 60 days of the election. The National Association for Gun Rights, based in Colorado, said that definition goes too far and that such reporting requirements can be imposed only on groups that expressly advocate for or against a candidate. The group said it plans to distribute literature in 2020 informing Montana voters on candidates' positions on gun issues. The association said if it's required to report on that spending, it won't spend the money, and therefore the law is an unconstitutional restriction on free speech. But on Monday, the 9th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals disagreed and mostly upheld a lower court ruling that said Montana's law is constitutional. The federal appeals court said requiring disclosure of information on subtle and indirect communications likely to influence voters is critical to the state's interest in promoting transparency and discouraging circumvention of its electioneering laws. Reporting from Helena, Mike Dennison, MTN News.
The gun rights group filed its lawsuit challenging the law in 2016, and no word yet on whether it plans to appeal today's ruling to the U.S. Supreme Court.